Students, this video is for the senior classes, class 6 to 8. Okay, now let's start our classes. Now I am going to tell about the class 6. Okay, class 6 student, your topic is pencil etching work. Now today I will tell you about the pencil etching work. Okay, so here for the pencil etching works we will use the empty refill for the drawing. Student, first of all you have to draw the one square box like this. Okay, after that we will use normal empty refill for the draw any types of the picture. In your books it's also draw the flower or wash. According to your wish you can draw any types of picture. Okay, after complete your draw you will use the 6B pencil for shading. Okay, like this. Okay, this type of shading you will use in your book and copy, and at the last you will use the eraser for make your diagram. Okay, here I am using duster in the place of the eraser, but you will use the eraser. Okay, like this you will complete your picture. Page number 18, all students you will complete your work, page number 18 in your book. Okay, like this you will complete your work in your book. Okay, today your homework is page number 18, draw the flower wash in your copy. This is your today assignment, and I request all the students please complete your all work from page number 1 till to 18. You will complete your work in your book and copy. Now my next topic is for class 7th. Okay, this is class 7th student. Today I will teach you about the pen and ink texture painting. It's a very important. This is the types of the painting. For this painting we will use the ink pen also. Okay, first I am already draw this with pictures, same pictures it's draw in your book. So I am draw this picture here. Okay, so as you know that students, there are the three types of the shading and etching. यहाँ पे हमने for example this is the shading and this is the hatching and this is the cross hatching. So when we use the pen and ink texture painting, we will use only the normal any types of the pen. For example, we can use the nib pen, sparkle pen and the dark shade pen. Okay, so like this. For this types of the shading paintings, we use only this type of the shading. For it, we normally complete our work like this. Okay, same as present in your book. With the help of your book, you will complete this picture. Okay, all students, you will complete this work in your book, and today your assignment that you will complete page number 19 in your book and copy also. And in these pictures, all students you can use the black gel pen, black sparkle pen and the other pen. Okay, thank you. Now I am going to tell about the class 8th. And class 8th student, today my topic is composition, and this is the memory drawing. And in this compositions I am going to tell about the human arts and the still life and the nature. Okay, as you know that there are the 5 type of drawings. So this is the parts of the drawing and this is the memory drawing. So students, same picture, it's also present in your book. In these pictures you will use the 2B pencil for the light shading and the 6B pencil for the dark shading. Like this we can use normal shading like this. And student, if you have no 2B pencil, you can use your eraser for the light shading. Okay, like this, and you can complete your picture. Okay, for where like this. we can use the 2B pencil. Okay class, so this is your nature composition pictures. All students, you will complete this picture in your book. Okay, and I request all the students, please complete your work till page number 21 in your book and copy. And those students who have no book and copy, please purchase book as soon as possible, and you can make your drawing copy proper and draw your picture very beautifully. Okay, now this is your class assignment. Please complete your all work. Thank you.